Hey, this is something you've never seen before. Have you spent a lot of time researching and analyzing blogs and websites to get higher rankings? Most of the time you get stuck? Imagine if you get everything in just one software without paying any monthly recurring fees. The best thing is you can save thousands of dollars, plus you can start selling services as well. Well, imagine no more, because we've made it possible. Yes, loved by millions of entrepreneurs, business owners, and everyone. Hey, I'm Rudy Rudra, the top internet marketer, and I came with solid software that helps get you instant ranking, plus one-click build your own SEO business with 50-in-1 SEO toolbox in just 60 seconds. 100% newbie-friendly, zero tech or marketing skills needed, no monthly fees. Introducing
SEO Monster,
brand new 50-in-1 AI-based technology that helps you do analytics your blog, website data in just one click.
SEO Monster
It removes all hassles and enables you to succeed without spending monthly on money-sucking freelancers. Save your valuable time and money by kicking out expensive freelancers forever. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology, beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Here's how it works. Step 1, grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2, log in and access dashboard. Step 3, great, you're all set. Now sit back and relax. Everything will be done for you.
SEO Monster
Is making life easier for thousands of people globally every single day. The possibilities to profit with
SEO
are
Monster
totally endless. When you act now, you'll also get 5 custom money-making bonuses worth thousands, absolutely free. You can see the details below. We're totally removing all the risk and also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So hurry, act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you'll pay more. You can check out all the details below. Click the Buy Now button right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to
SEO Monster
at an amazing one-time price. We'll see you on the inside. Thank you.